Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Land Rover Defender. First, access your vehicle's infotainment system settings to find the current software version. This initial step is crucial for determining if an update is available. Ensure your Defender is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or has a good cellular signal for a smooth download process. We'll cover both over-the-air updates and potential dealer options to keep your system current and performing optimally. For over-the-air updates, navigate to the Software Update section within your Defender's settings menu. You can often enable automatic updates there, which is very convenient. Make sure your vehicle is parked in a location with excellent network coverage, like your home Wi-Fi. The update process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour, so plan accordingly and avoid interrupting it. Your vehicle will guide you through each step. If over-the-air updates aren't working, or if you prefer, a Land Rover dealership can perform a manual update for you. They have specialized tools to ensure a successful installation. If you encounter issues, first check your internet connection and try restarting the infotainment system. Always ensure your Defender's battery has a good charge, at least 25%, before starting any update to prevent interruptions. This helps avoid potential problems during the process. Updating your Land Rover Defender brings many benefits, including access to new features, improved system performance, and enhanced security. Regular updates also fix known software bugs, ensuring your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. Keeping your Defender's software current is a key part of its overall maintenance. For other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the link in the description below. Stay updated for the best driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.